Hello everybody, my name is Graham and I am the Mornington Traveller. So here we are at Flinders Street Station and I'm going to take the De Grave subway through to Town Hall Station. Last time I was here, I was not able to find the De Grave Street subway because I went to the wrong end of the platform. So hopefully this time we'll find it and make our way to Town Hall Station. Here are the stairs which lead down into the subway. There is also a lift on the other side for those not able to use the stairs. So here we are in the De Grave Street subway. Found it properly this time and we'll make our way now to Town Hall Station. So right now we're walking underneath the tracks and platforms of Flinders Street Station. Now we swing to the right to head towards the Town Hall Station. And now we're making our way to the part of the subway that goes into Town Hall Station. I'll just follow these young ladies. They look like they know where they're going. This is the actual entry to Town Hall Station. Note the orange coloured roof beams. This is a common theme for all the stations on the metro tunnel. Let's head towards those escalators. We have to go down 2 levels to reach the platform level. These stairs will take us down to platform level, or you can use the lift or the escalators from the other side. So we have successfully completed our walk from Flinders Street Station to Town Hall Station using the De Grave Street underpass. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it both enjoyable and informative. If so, could I ask you to give it a big like and even consider subscribing to my channel? I'd really appreciate that. So thanks once again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.